Hi, I'm Matthew from OpenResty Inc. Today I'd like to demonstrate how to manage configuration versions and releases in OpenResty Edge. Our relational database used by the web console has built-in support for version control. As always, let's go to the OpenResty Edge's admin web console. This is our sample deployment of the console. Every user has her own local deployment. We still use our continuing sample application for the testedge.com domain. Enter the application. First, we add a simple page rule to output a custom response body. Create a new page rule. We do not specify a condition for this rule, so it will fire unconditionally. Add a new action for returning a response directly. We can search for the output response body action. Select it. Here we specify the text/plain content type header, and specify the hello world response body. We need to make sure that this rule always runs before other rules. Let's mark it as an always top rule. We skip any subsequent rules if this rule is matched. And then create it. We can see our page rule is already listed here. Our new page rule is not online yet since it is still a pending change. We can push it out by making a new configuration release. We could use this clear button if we want to clear any pending changes. We don't want to clear it now. Before making a config release, we can check out the details of the pending changes. Just click this button to check out the diff for the change. We provide a readable textual description for the changes, and also the changes in the JSON format. Let's make the new release now. You have an option to release to your own staging gateway nodes only. In that case, this config release will have the type staging. We'll demonstrate this in a future video tutorial. Otherwise it will be of the type normal. Add some notes or comments here to describe the release. This is optional though. Then ship it by clicking on the release button. It is fully synchronized now. Now the new page rule has been pushed to all the gateway clusters and servers. Our configuration changes do not require server reload, restart, or binary upgrade. So it's very efficient and scalable. Then on the terminal, we can send a test request to our application. The testedge.com domain is already resolved to our gateway node servers managed by OpenResty Edge. Run it. We indeed got the hello world response body. Back to the releases page, we can browse all the release history in this table. Here we can see who authored each release, and also what time the release was made. You can check out the operation type, which can be either a release or a rollback. The release type can be either a normal one or staging one. We also can expand the details of each historical release here. It still has the textual description. Let's edit our new page rule a bit. Go back to the page rules page. Edit this rule. Let's change the response body to happy hacking. Save it. We have a new pending change again. Make another new config release. Check the details of the pending change again. It shows that we replaced the hello world message with happy hacking. Let's release this pending change. This time we add a comment say happy hacking. Ship it. A new release is pushed out. The release history is also updated. Let's send a test request on the terminal again. Run it. The response body is indeed changed to happy hacking. Next, say, we want to revert the latest config release. Just click on this revert this release button. Confirm to revert. The release revert is now pushed out to all the gateway servers. Now you see the latest operation log has the type rollback. We test it out again on the terminal. Run it. It indeed turns back to hello world now. We can roll back to an even older release. Say, we want to roll back to the second last release this time. We could just click on this roll back to this release button. Feel free to try it out yourself. This is what I'd like to cover today.
If you like this video, Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.